So the term I had to research for this chapter was SERP. SERP stands for Search Engine Results Page and is defined as web pages served to users when they search for something online using a search engine. So when someone enters a query into a search engine, it will then search its index for the best matches using a ranking algorithm, and then it provides a list of search results to the user. There are two types of results: organic, which are listings ranked in order of relevance based on the search engine's ranking algorithm, and then sponsored and paid, which is anything that's a paid advertisement link. And then I also found information on the knowledge graph or knowledge box, which was introduced by Google in 2012. And that pulls information from commonly asked questions and displays it on the side in a concise way. So it's preferable for brands to earn organic results because no one really wants to click on paid for ads, and then they don't have to pay per click fees. Check out the video on that to learn more about it. The first few organic results are the ones that get the most attention and clicks. And note, because few people go beyond the first 10 results. So we're going to go check out some examples by looking at a search engine online. So just to use Google and then search something that's pretty common. So when you look here, these are all the paid advertisements, and it says ad right there. So they paid to have their link come up here. And then when you scroll down more, you have the organic results. And then over here is the knowledge box or knowledge graph, and it's, the information that people will commonly ask for, and it's put right there for you to see. And that concludes my video. Thank you.